a new coin that we haven't talked about for a while, and it's PENGU. We haven't talked about it for a few days, and we'll see what the previous price prediction was, what we thought was going to happen, what actually gonna happen. So grab some coffee, grab some juice. It's nice, and let's have some fun. The first thing we'll do is we'll switch to normal candles, and I want to warn you that in general we've seen strong retracements on all coins today. Obviously, by the way, this video is not financial advice. We've seen strong retracements today, and these retracements show us one thing: there's weakness in the market. And from what I've seen, we've got 151 mil shorts opened right here, which is not good. That's not super bullish, by the way. And I think for next 2 days we'll continue with this downtrend. So this and one more candle should be bearish. So if you were to buy spot, I would wait. So this plus 1 or 2 more red days. The bleeding will continue for at least that. And I want to make this video as a kind of an urgent video on what I think would happen and how I would be trading this. At any moment though, you gotta keep in mind that these are weak highs. So at any moment we can go here to take a short, because some of these shorts we can have a pump to liquidate these positions so we can go to the downside. So I'm short biased. I will be looking for opportunity to enter short on any pump. That's basically how I'll be trading it. But let me know your thoughts. What do you think about PENGU today? The last video I gave you a beautiful long. I said if we buy here, I'm long biased. I've had the arrow on the daily chart, and I would short here on the confirmation, long here on confirmation. We didn't manage to long at the bottom. We didn't manage to short at the top. But yeah, right now I'm looking for shorts on with good confirmation. So I'll definitely be interested in taking some. And something else that I think is relevant right now is actually this thing right here. Net shorts are at 91. Normally, you don't want that to happen, right? When you so we'll mark it out right here. Net shorts at 91. We go long when they go below 80. So when they go below 80, that's on the 30 minute. On the 30-minute time frame. Maybe, you know what? I'll actually have that here. So here I'll delete that, and I also want to see the 3 hour. Three hour is the same. 30 min and 3 hour. We want shorts to go below 80, but at the same time, right now longs lost their edge right here. At 12 a.m. we had a huge amount of longs closing, and this trend, man, this was a good time to short. 77 mil short longs closed right here. Kind of missed that easy 5%. Yeah, we'll be looking for better trades and more trades in the future. This is basically how I'm planning to play PENGU for the day. If you want to learn more about my strategy, I'll have a link in the description down below on how you can learn from me by Signals chat, and also 8 grand worth of bonuses from PingX. See you next video.